Yeah, good afternoon to you all. This is Manuel, and this is a short video on how to download the software or to get the software from getintopc. So first of all, I want to go back to the Telegram platform. Yes, right now I'm on the platform. So, like I said, first of all, how to get the software is you have to click on the link that are shared on the platform, that is getintopc.com. So you just have to click or just tap it. It will open with a browser. It will open with a browser, and you have to choose the browser which you want to use to open to where the softwares are located. So right now, as you can see, we have getintopc at the top here, and then we have print conductor 2021 free download, and then as you can see, we have so many softwares that if you want to download, you can download. You can go more. You can click on load more. As you can see, load more entries. So you just click on it, and it will open. So it's loading. Like I said, you have to make sure you have enough data on your either your phone or the computer you are using to download. Also, you have to make sure you have a good internet connectivity in order for you to get the software. So you can see, be scrolling, you can scroll, load more entries. It will open more and more softwares for you, probably if you want to download. Now for us to get the Adobe Photoshop CCC 2015, for us to get that software and download, you have to come to this section where the search engine is, the search. You just have to click on the search, this side. You just have to click on that side, and it will come. It will just open a pop-up. That's the search, this website. So you just have to click on it, and then you enter the name that you want to search. That is Adobe Photoshop. Okay, it's right there. I've already gone there. So when I was typing, it popped up. So Adobe Photoshop CCC 2015. You just click on it, and then you click on go or search. Then so the moment you type in or you key in the Adobe Photoshop CCC 2015, it will open and it will take you to this side. So over here we have Adobe Photoshop CCC 2015 version 5.17.011 update 1, blah blah blah. You can see it. You can see that this one too. You have Adobe Photoshop CCC 2015 version 16.1.2. That is 84. 84 simply means that it's indicating the kind of Windows OS model that you are using, either 32-bit or 64-bit. Yes, so that is the meaning of the X86 or X 64, meaning 32-bit or 64-bit. Again, you have to have an ISO. You have to have a software called an ISO, Power ISO, on your laptop or your computer, because it will help you. You will need that to install the software on your computer or on your laptop. So over here, we'll move to the second one. The second one, so this is the first one, this is the second one, and then we have third one. And then the fourth one is also Adobe Update 2 free download. They are all free download. So all what we need is the second one, that is Adobe. We click on the second one, then it will load. So it will load Adobe Photoshop CC 2015 version 16.1.2. Then over here you have a brief statement about the Adobe Photoshop that you are going to use. So this is a brief history about Adobe Photoshop. So there is a picture of it. That is when you install. After you finish installing and you want to launch the application, this is the background that it will give you. So you scroll down. Now this is the interface. Over here you see the interface. All this is the Adobe Photoshop CCC 2015. That is the interface. So you scroll down. So if you want to read, you can read through. You can read and get more understanding. But for now, we want to download. So over here, they've written something that we have to pay attention to. That is Adobe Photoshop CCC 2015 version 16.1.2, 86, and then 64-bit ISO technical setup details. So these are the details. 1, software full name, Adobe Photoshop, blah blah blah. Setup full name, Adobe full setup size. So the setup that you are downloading, the full size. Over here you can see the size. I've highlighted it for you to see. You see? So I have highlighted it for you to see. The full size is 1.6 gigabyte. Full size is 1.6 gigabyte. So you need a data that is 1.6 gigabyte or more in order for you to get a setup and install on your computer. Adobe is a package on its own. Adobe Photoshop is a package on its own. It's not those kind of normal softwares that you download on your machine. Adobe Photoshop is a whole package on its own. So the size is a little bit huge. So you have to get enough data so that you'll be able to download the software. So as I have highlighted, full setup size, that is 1.6 gigabit. So, and that's what you need. So over here it says what type: offline installer, full standalone setup, and then we have the compatibility architecture, 32-bit or 64-bit. So either your machine is 32-bit or 64-bit. You have to choose it. You have to choose the kind of software that will fit to your machine. So that is that. So I'm scrolling down, then you scroll down because we want to get the setup and download. So when you scroll down, you come to a place where they've written, before installing software, you must watch this installation guide video. But don't worry, I'll give you a video. I'll send you a video that has all this. It will show you how to install the setup on your machine. So down here we have the download. So over here you click on the download. Over here, that's the download. column. You just have to click on the download, then it will take you to another platform for you to have access of. So as you can see, so you realize that it's loading. It's loading. The buffer is loading. They've written your requested resource will be granted from Linux server. So right now, the buffer is loading. It's looking for the specific software to download. So it will come. Since you have clicked on what? Download, it will open. There's a pop-up. Either your downloader that you normally use to download things on your phone or on the computer. So the download will come. Download later instead. The file large is 1.63 gigabit. 1.63 gigabit. 1.63 gigabit. So if you want to download now, you click on done, then it will start. So you click on this. To continue. If you are using a Wi-Fi connectivity, then you click on the Wi-Fi column. You just have to check that box, then it will switch to the Wi-Fi connectivity, then you can have your download. So after you are done, then I'm going to show you how to install it on your machine. So that is for now. So if you are still having a little problem, just let me know so that I can assist you. Thank you very much.